Okay, this video I show you how to connect our controller with the tracer hoster. Okay, first for the physical connect, we use a network cable. You can connect with the network switch, and then the network switch connect with the controller by also the net wheel. Okay, then we go to the setup network. First, we add a node for the Ethernet. This Ethernet node, we need to send all of the signal information from console to the tracer hoster. So on here, first we set up the efficiency to yes, and to is a unicast, and for the target IP, we need to find out the tracer hoster's IP. Yeah, we can check on here. It's 192.168.0.101. Okay, so we input this IP to this node. Okay, then on here the output and the count, you no need to change. But network, we begin with the 0. So apply, okay. Save it, and next, let's remember this console's IP, 192.168.0.100. Okay, we need to remember this IP, and then we go to the tracer UI. On here, okay, I have been add a node, but also we can delete this node and add a new one. On this one, we need to change the mode to import to input. So into the input mode, the console's signal data trans to the tracer hoster, and then tracer hoster can receive the signal. And the IP, let's change to the console's IP. Zero 100, and press enter. Okay, for the quantity, on the console we use 8, and so also here we change to 8. Then we no need to change any other things, just press save. Okay, let's go back to the light control. On here, you can see the local, the DMX. The local is when you switch to the local, the lights you wanna do the tracing is controlled by the hoster. Usually when we use this function, it's just for the test. If you wanna connect with the controller, we go to the DMX, and also you can see there are some sentences on here. The control 0 to 9, you can is the DMX full controls all signal, all channels of the all fixture. The DMX means the controller or other things like the DMX recorder. And also the fixture control page you see here. This control link and the control channel, it depends on you patched the dimmer on the console. For example, for now, we patched a dimmer at here. His channel, his link is 8 and the channel is 333. So on here, if we want to control the lines, we need input them to 8 and 333. If you patch on other lines like the 7 or the channel is 334, you can also change it by yourself. But for now, our control line is 8 and the channel is 333. Okay, so for now, the control value is 0. So the controller is DMX. If we change, like you see, if we change it to 10 or 100, it's local fully controls all channels of the patched fixture. The patched fixture is the tracer lights you wanna use. We can change it on here. Okay, we choose them and enter the 100. Okay, as you see, you can see the controller switch to the local, and you see this is a monitor. We can see the patched lights. The channels have been activated, or we can control it. And for the control 192, 189, 129 to 255, the hoster only control the pan and the tilt, the PT. So we can switch, like on here, we change them to 200. Okay, now it's 200. So we can see the controller is only control the local PT. So what you want to control is depends on yourself of the dimmer's value you entered. And for the connect, if you don't have switch, you can also just use the network wheel connect from controller directly to the hoster. And for this dimmer, there's no need you patch the lights same with the tracer. It's just only you need is they are on these quantities. If you use 16 line, then we need change this quantity to 16.